Hello and welcome to this course on the PMP Certification Exam Preparation Program. In this lesson, we will focus on Project Management Framework. Learning objectives of this lesson are overview of project, understand project management, understand program management, understand portfolio management, learn the key differences between projects, programs, and portfolios, understand operations management, learn about PMO, stakeholder project governance, understand the differences between product and project life cycles, mapping of processes, process groups and knowledge area, project management data and information, project tailoring, and project business documents.